In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to pay for Target orders using PayPal. Let's get started. First, launch your Target app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now, browse the products you would like to purchase and add them to your shopping cart. Now, head over to the carts page. Here, you're going to find all the items. Proceed to checkout. Here, you're going to find this section of shipping address. Click on Add. Provide your shipping details. And scrolling down, you're going to find this section of Payment. Click on the option Add. Now, select the option Pay with PayPal. Click on it and you'll be redirected to the PayPal login page. Sign into your PayPal account using your email address and password. After signing in, choose your preferred funding source such as PayPal balance, linked bank account, or a linked credit or debit card. Review the payment details, then select Pay Now or Continue to authorize the payment. You will be returned to the Target checkout page. Review your order one final time and then click or tap Place Order to complete your purchase. Once your order is confirmed, you'll receive a confirmation from both Target and PayPal, and you can track your order through your Target account or the confirmation email. And that's it. This is how you can easily pay for Target orders using PayPal. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.